Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook with potatoes. First, select the right potato for your recipe. Starchy russets are great for mashing, while waxy Yukon Golds hold their shape well for roasting. Always wash your potatoes thoroughly under cold, running water to remove any dirt. You can peel them or leave the skin on, depending on your preference and the dish. We'll cover fundamental techniques like boiling and roasting, providing a solid foundation for countless delicious potato preparations. For perfect boiled and mashed potatoes, begin by peeling and cutting your chosen variety, like russets, into uniform 1-inch pieces. Place them in a pot, cover with cold, salted water by about 1 inch and bring to a boil. Cook for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are easily pierced with a fork. Drain thoroughly, then mash with 2 tablespoons of butter, a 1/4 cup of warm milk, and season with salt and pepper for a wonderfully creamy side dish. To achieve wonderfully crispy roasted potatoes, start by cutting your potatoes into 1-inch chunks. Toss them in a large bowl with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and your favorite herbs like rosemary or thyme. Spread them in a single layer on a baking sheet. Roast in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes, flipping them halfway through until golden brown and tender inside. Beyond basic boiling and roasting, potatoes offer incredible versatility. Consider making a rich potato gratin, layering thinly sliced potatoes with cream, garlic, and cheese, then baking until bubbly and golden. Or try baking whole potatoes until fluffy, then loading them with toppings like sour cream, chives, and bacon. Don't be afraid to experiment with different spices and cooking methods to discover new favorite potato dishes that will impress everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.